Hey guys, it's Sunday and we are making Swedish pancakes. Say it with me, Pannkakor. We only have 5 ingredients to work with, so we're gonna be using 3 eggs, a half a teaspoon of salt, some butter to fry up the pancakes in, 1 cup of flour, and 2.5 cups of milk. Okay, so let's start by dunking in the all-purpose flour. I'm gonna whisk that with 1 cup of milk. And I'm gonna start with just this first, because these pancakes are gonna be very thin and they're gonna get crispy, hopefully. But you really want to make sure that you don't have lumps in the batter. That can be hard to achieve if you just dunk all the milk that you're supposed to have with all the flour. So altogether we're gonna have 2.5 cups of milk, but we start with just 1 cup. I'm going to now add the eggs. I'm gonna add another cup of milk, approximately another half, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then just whisk away. As you can see, the batter is quite wet, which we want because we want the pancakes to get really crispy and thin. We're done whisking the batter. We're gonna let this rest for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then we're gonna go back here to the stove. I wanna fry these up on a cast iron. So just whisk and then flip. So just to show you now, the butter has been sitting for 20 minutes. But to be honest with you, I haven't made Swedish pancakes in a long time. So if this hits the fan, well, at least we're together. The first pancake is usually a little funny, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Dump some butter in here. Okay. So in Sweden, pancakes are actually traditionally what you eat after split pea soup on a Thursday. It's traditionally how Swedes eat them, but in my family, we would eat them as breakfast sometimes, like the Americans do. So you got 2 options here. Either you fry up your pancakes immediately on this melted butter, or you can do this. You take the melted butter here, and then you dunk it into your batter. And so now your batter has some oil in it. I'm gonna try to slowly do that. And we still have oil on the pan. So this is just gonna help with the browning of the pancakes. Beautiful. You really don't have to worry about getting a perfectly circular pancake. This is literally the shape we all grew up with in school, at home. You want to get that bubbly there. It's going to cook in a liquid of butter. We'll get them nice and crispy. But you can tell we haven't had an issue with flipping these, and that's because the batter got to rest for about 20 minutes or so. Usually in school, they would serve it either like this or like this. We're gonna do that. Assemble it nicely. And then we're gonna have some delicious whipped cream that we whipped up earlier today. It's quite hot, so we're gonna put that on the side. And then we have this yummy strawberry jam. So there we go. Swedish pancakes. Wow, this tastes just like childhood and adulthood. You know, a lot of coffee shops you go to in Sweden, or just restaurants, you'll find the pancakes with jam and whipped cream. Most usually on kids' menus, but you can totally have it as an adult too. Anyway, to me, this is really such a delight. If I'm craving pancakes, this is what I want. All right, I'm gonna take a break and just thank everyone who's been watching. If you like this video, please let me know by commenting down below. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you've hit that bell button so you can get notifications for more of these videos to come. See you guys later.